Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome back to maintenance. We are on our 5th episode, so let's go ahead and get started. As per usual, so I'll move this over a little bit. It seems to happen to me all the time, not just with these maintenance videos, but with some of the other ones as well. I gotta move the paper over. So we are on maintenance 5. Pretty soon I'll be needing to get a new piece of paper. Go ahead and start with the uppercase alphabet. These are all coming along pretty nicely, I'd like to think. I hope you guys like the drawing, which is probably not just probably, but it is the newest idea out of all of these, so hopefully it's good and working for everybody, especially because it's not as typical. Making sure that I'm writing within the bounds of the video camera, writing these slightly bigger than last time. Hopefully you guys can see it, it's not too blurry. Maybe I'll need to get some better lighting or something, maybe zoom in a little better. I thought I was zooming in pretty well, but I noticed that in the first few maintenance videos when I was at a different desk recording those, now I should be here for most of the other ones. I thought the lighting was pretty good, but I was kind of zoomed out pretty far, so it was hard to see. But that will remain to be seen over these next few videos. And I'm not sure if the other ones have better angle, lighting, zoom, whatever. I just know that these maintenance videos have not been the best. But that's okay. The idea is that you know what I'm writing, you can just follow along. And there you have it. That's maintenance 15. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow, or not really tomorrow. I'm used to saying that because I was watching some of the older videos where I say, come back tomorrow and every day to practice with me. Come back in 2 weeks and we'll pick up where we left off. Alrighty, goodbye.